Tired of that old nickname or finally ready to use your real name on Facebook? First, head over to Facebook on your computer or open the app on your phone. And in the top right corner of your screen, click on the little down arrow. This will reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Don't worry, we're not diving into the deep end of privacy settings just yet. Another menu will pop up. Click on Settings. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a General Account Settings section right at the top. You should see name with your current name displayed. Click on Edit next to it. Now you can enter your new first, middle if you use one, and last name. Be sure to double check for any typos. Facebook only allows you to change your name a limited number of times after you've made your changes. Click the Review Change button, and a window will prompt you to select how your name will appear on your profile. Choose your preferred display option and enter your password to confirm the change. Finally, click Save Changes, and that's it. Your Facebook name is now updated. Now go forth and update that profile. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more social media tips and tricks.